Hi guys, welcome to the next channel as we do another video. All right, let's go. This one says, which of the following sets of numbers contain all the prime numbers less than 20? And that would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, no. 3, 5, 7, 9, no. 2, 3, 5, 7. So that would be C. Which of the following statement is not true? 7 is a multiple of 14. 5 is a factor of 15, 21 is a multiple of 3, 4 is a factor of 12. 7 is not a multiple of 14, 7 is a factor. Multiples are like when you multiply. All right, this one says 4 raised to the third power. Now this means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So that's 4 times 4 times 4. I'm not seeing the answer yet, but this should work out to 64. Hit the like button if you appreciate what Mr. Benito do, guys. Let's go, let's go. All right. This one says, what's the square root of 121? What this means, what number multiplied by itself give you 121? And that can only be 11. Number 5 says, what is 390,000 written in standard form? Now for standard form, we have to carry decimal point here. Now, as it stands, the decimal point is right to the right, which is right here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 3.9 times 10 to the 5th power, the number of places that we move. What is 7.3 times 10? So that's 7.3 times 10 to the second. So that's 7.3 times 10 to the second is the same as 100. So we multiply by 100. So we're going to move the decimal places 2 times, 1, 2, which gives us 730. Hit the like button, guys, man. What I deal with? On a day in England, the temperature outside was -5 degrees, while the temperature in Jamaica was 28 degrees. What is the difference in temperature? Now, all we have to do to fit the difference, we add it, and that works out to 33. What is the binary number of 1101? So all we have to do is just simply 2 to the 0, because it's base 2, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, and 2 to the 3. The only one that we're going to get rid of is the one with 0, right? 2 to the 0 is the same thing as 1. So for this, we multiply 1 times 1, which gives us 1. 2 to the 2 is the same as 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1, 4. And we do the same thing for this. 2 to the third is 8. So it's 8 times 1. So you have 8 plus 4, 12, and 1, 13. So for that, our answer is A. Let's move on. So it says solve 3.5 plus 2.63 minus 0.4 plus 2. So we're going to put the decimal point on the decimal point. So we're going to add first. So it's 3.5 plus 2.63. And I'm going to also add the 2. The decimal point is to the right. So it's 2.00. All right. Hope everyone can see the decimal point, you know. So let's add first. We can put a 0 to hold the space. 6 and 5, 11. 3 and that 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, yeah, that's 8.13. And we're going to subtract 0.4. So remember, decimal point on a decimal point. So it must end with a 3. 4 from this we can't. So we're going to take 1. Now we have 11. 4 from 11 leaves 7. And then we have 7.73. So that would be B. Number 10 says a customer buys a bag of pasta that costs $6.89 and a dozen eggs that cost $4.69. How much change would the customer please? Guys, I want you guys to test if you can do it as fast as I am doing it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Exam preparation. All right, so we add first 5 and 9, 14, 4 carry 1. 8 and 1, 9 and 6, 15. So that's 5 carry 1. Then we have 4 and 6, 10 and 1, 11. So that works out to 11.54. And then we're going to subtract from 20. Remember, decimal point under decimal point. What's the answer, guys? What you got? All right, we're gonna borrow. So boom, leave 1. Boom, put the 9 there. So just remember that, and then we'll put the 1. So this becomes 10. 4 from 10 leave 6. 5 from 9 leave 4. Put back this. 1 from 9 leave 8. And that's it. 8.46. 1 from 1 leave 0. So it's A. Hit the like button if you're just joining. All right. What is 41 times 0.45 meter? So first, we're going to ignore the decimal points, and I'm going to put 45 up by the top and multiply by 41. Easier to multiply by 1. So 1 times 5, that's 5, 144. Now we're going to multiply by 40, so we'll put a space holder. 4, 5, 20. 4, 4, 16. Put this area good enough. 4, 5, 22, carry 0. 4, 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So we have 5, 4, 8, 1. But remember, this was supposed to be 2 decimal places. So it would be 18.45 meters, which is B. All right, let's move on to 12. How many 2.5 kilograms can be filled from a sack weighing 55 kilograms? So what we're going to do, we're going to convert the 2.5 to 25. That's what I would do. All right, so what I'm going to do, 2.5. Remember, we can't really divide by a decimal. So we're going to move 1 place. So what we do, decimal place is here, we move 1 also. So this becomes 550 divided by 25. That should give us 22. But let's show the working. It has to be 22 based on the answers that I'm seeing. Let's see if it works out. All right, so 25 into 5, you can't. 25 into 55, that's 2. Or multiply, we get 50. Subtract, we get 5. Carry down the 0, so we have 50 again. And we get 2. 2 times that, 50. So it's exactly 22 times. Hit the like button, guys. How are you guys feeling about the exam? Share this with the teacher. What is it, so they can share it with other students? What is 0.6 times 0.3? 0.3. We just multiply normal. 6 3 is 18. However, we have 2 decimal places, 1 here and 1 here. So we're going to move 2 places. 1, 2. So that becomes 0.18. Find the total cost of 1.5 kilogram of mackerel that at $8.40. So first of all, 1 kilogram costs $8.40. Half kilogram is gonna cost half of this. So let's divide this by 2 to get the half kilogram. 2 into that 4. 2 into that 2. So it's gonna cost 4 dollars 20. And listen what they say now. $2.80 for 1 kilogram, but you only want 3/4. So first we need to find 3/4 of 280. All right. So 4 into 4, 1. 4 into this 7 times. So that's a 70 cent. And then we multiply by 3. 3 0 0. 3 7s 21. And then that's a $2.10 for that part of it. All right. So we're gonna add this now. As remember, this costs less. 3/4 must cost less than 1 cost. So $2.10 look reasonable. So we have 0, 4, 2 and 1, 3, and that's 7. 8 and 4, 12, and that's 14. So it's $14.70, which would be C. All right, 15 says a customer buys 3 tins of tuna that cost $2.93 each. So I could just do it as we go along. Said 3 tin. So we have to multiply that by 3 to get the total. 3 9s, 27. What our decimal point? 326 and that 8. $8.79. All right. And this says, and a packet of cookies that cost 0.55. Oh, so the cookie just cost that alone. I think, yeah. So the cookie are this. Cookie and cream. So 5 and 9, 14, 4 carry 1. I think this was 7, right? I hope so. Yeah, yeah. 5 and that 12 and that 13. And then this giving 9, 34. So now the total is $9.34. Out of $10, that should be 66 cents, right? All right, let's look at number 16. It says solve 3 and 1/3 plus 3 and 3/5. All right, so we're gonna do it the long way. 3 3 is 9 and 1 10 over 3. So we convert and then we do the same thing. Multiply the whole number by the denominator, add 3, 4, 5, 20. So that's 23 over 5. Find our LCM, which is 15. And then we say 3 into 15, that's 5 times. 5 times 10, 50. And then 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So when you multiply, we get what, 69. We'll add now. So this gives us 9, 5 and 6, 11. So that's 119. Now, how many times we can get that? 7 times 15 are 105. So that's 7. 105 would leave 14 over 15. Hope you guys are able to keep up, all right? If not, watch the playback. But guys, the exam is 2 hours, so you guys have to increase on your speed, all right? All right, solve 2156 minus 3/4. So we're gonna convert. So 2 6 is 12, and that's 17. Add, we get 17 over 6. 12 and 5, 17, right? Yeah. All right, now we're gonna find our LCM of the denominator, which is 6 and 4. The LCM of 6 and 4 would be 12. Next, we say 6 into 12, that goes 2 times. So we multiply by 2. 2 times that, 34. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. So we need to subtract 9 from 34. If at 10, it'll be 24. So it'll be 25 over 12 then, yeah. 9 and 5, 14, yeah. All right, so that means it's gonna go 12 into this goes 2 times, 2 12, 24, right? Remainder 1 over 12. So that would be B. All right, let's move on to 18. Hit the right one if you're just joining. What is 4 and 1/6 minus 2.5? Again, I'm gonna do it the long way because a half is bigger than 1 over 6. So it will work the other way anyway. So 4 6 is 24 and 1, 25 over 6. Minus 2 2 is 4 and 1, 5 over 2. Our LCM of 6 and 2 would actually be 6. 6 into 6, 1. Multiply by that, give us 25. 20 that goes 3 times. 5 times 3, 15. 25 minus 15 is what, guys? 10 over 6, right? 6 into that goes 1 time and 4 over 6. Which you can break down to 2 over 3. So it's 1 and 2 over 3. Hit the like button if you're just joining. A property is sold for 2.25. So that's 2 point, oh, do it the long way. $2.25 million, and 4 owners receive a quarter. Based on the answer, it can only be this, all right? 4 times this, 4 times this not even give you a million. 4 times this give you well, give you a little over a million. 4 times this, it have to be this. It couldn't be this. All right, so I'm now gonna work out that one day. This one says solve 2 3/4 divided by 1/8. So 2 times 4 is 8, and that 11 over 4 divided by 1 over 8. But we know what the rules state. The rules state that we only dividing, we change the division to multiplication and we reciprocate. So we divide times rather and put that 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, 2. So that should give you 11 times 2, which is works out to 22. I'm not seeing that yet. All right, here we go. All right. So 1/3 there, guys, 33%. Let's go, let's go. Number 21 says solve 4/7 times 2/3. So all we do, we're gonna multiply across numerator by numerator and denominator. Oh, these are 3. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 7 3 is 21. We can't break down that. No. All right. This one now, it says solve a half times 3/4. All right, I could do the half first, do the multiplication, then we do the addition. Remember the abundance rule when you're doing this, all right? No, appreciate me now, guys. So 1 times 3, that's 3. 2 times 4, 8, and then we add. So we're gonna add 2/3. The LCM of this would be 24. The lowest number that both can go into. 8 into 24, that's 3. 3 times 3, 9. Put back our plus. 3 into 24, 8. So we're gonna multiply this by 8. So 2, 8, 16. So we get 25. When we add the top, it's 25 over 24. They don't have that, so I guess you have to break it down, which is 1 and 1 over 24. So that would be B. Big up to them question of city angles. They are a nice foundational thing in maths. All right, this one says solve 27 plus 9 divided by 3, but we know that the rules state that we are supposed to do the bracket first. In any case, we have to do the division first. So 2 reasons you should do this. 9 into that goes 3 times 27 plus 3. We add last, so that gives you 30. So that would be C. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh Lord. You may always compound city angles. Every time I want different one. Don't worry about it, guys. So it's a start alarm that. What would be the suitable question for the missing? So the start, the alarm rings. Boom. The alarm rings. What next? Are you ready to go to bed? No. If alarm ring, you don't need to go to bed. Are you tired? Yes. Get out of bed. No. Does the alarm need a new battery? No. I have to be D. Whatever D is a D. Are you ready to get up? Yeah. So that would be, are you ready to get up? And then, so that's D. All right, number 11, number 25 says 11% of 100 and, which is 11,000. All right, so let's find that. So it's 11%. So percent mean out of 100. So we times this by, no, this is 11. So 2 zeros gone. We divide by 100. So we have 110 divided by times 110. Now 11 times 11 are 121, right? I will just add the 0. So it should be this, C. But of course, you guys can work it out, all right? All right, a customer pays 5% deposit on goods valued of $50,000. How much is the deposit? So deposit, people who trust want to know about deposit, want to know about it. Want to trust course things, want to know about the deposit. Poor people, something like for myself, all right? All right, so we have 5 times 0, 0, 500, 55, 25. So you made a deposit of 2,500. So that's C. All right, calculate the simple interest on 900 for 2 years at 3% per annum. Now, simple interest is equal to the principal. Big up principal, Mr. William, St. Mary's College. All right. Yeah. Also respect authority. Big up everybody still. Watch a video. So we have 9,000. The time is 2 years. And make sure you get that in or something there. You see if you are read good. Times that upon 100. So this gone, this gone. All right, so you have 2 3s are 6, 6 9 are 54. 2 3s are 6, so 90 times 6. Just show this to persons. 9 6 54, so that's 540. And here we go, that would be B. A machine has a principal cost of 150,000. Simple depreciation is applied at 15% per annum. Guys, them says simple depreciation, not the reducing balance, all right? So what I noticed, they always use simple. So it would be 15%. Technically, you could find 30% and find the answer right away. All right, but we're not do it that way, because we're not trying to confuse somebody, you know. Yeah. 5 hour, 225. So that should look like, what is the total value of depreciation after 2 years? So this should work out to 225. 22,500, right? But after 2 years, so you times it by 2, because a simple depreciation says a flat rate. So then you had this times 2, you get 45,000. All right, let's look at 29. What is 35% as a decimal fraction? So we have 35 over 100, which is 1, 2. So that would be this. All right, what is 38 expressed as a decimal fraction? So what it is, we are supposed to divide 3 by 8. I've done this before on a CSEC paper. So I kind of know the answer is B, but let me show you the working. 8 into 3, you can't. 8 into 30, that goes 3 times 3 8s, 24. So we're gonna subtract now. Remember, that's what the rule say. So this would give us 6. Carry down our 0. 8 into this goes 7 times 8, 7, 56. Subtract again, but this time you get 4. Put our 0 now, which is 40, so that gives you 5. As I said, guys, I did this on a CSEC past paper, so I kind of know the answer as I saw it. All right. A chair costs $120. A customer has a choice of discount voucher, half price, 25% off. Half a bit half price, right? Half a bit half price. Cause half price at 50%. So I'm not go bother with no that's $60. A quarter 120, about 30, 60. Yeah. Yeah. Half. Definitely half. All right. On a map, a scale of, can't bother multiply this in a month. All right, so let's go. Why do I have to put in question upon the people? 500, 500, 500, 5525, 5735, and that 37. I just want to see that number here, and then I know. Put a 0 to all the space. 100, 100, 100, 155, 177. Can add now, and then I will know. 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, carry 1, 7, 3, 10, and 1, 11. All right. It's a 0. I don't know why it look like 6. And then we divide by 100 times 1000. And guys, if you don't know that unit there, just work it out. So this will be A. All right. All right. Let's move on to this one. A gardener mixes plant feed with water using a ratio of 1 to 20. 1 to 20. He uses 2 cupfuls of plant seed. How much water does he need? So let's go back to the ratio. He mixes plants feed, so this is 1, with water, which is 1 to 20. Yeah, so a ratio of 1 to 20, all right? All right, boom. He said use 2 cupfuls of plant seed. So this is 2, so we multiply 20 times 2. Because remember, when you break it down, you're supposed to get the same thing, so it will be 40. All right, let's move on to 34. A cook uses 4 ounces of butter to 12 ounces of flour. So butter first express. All we have to do, guys, is just find a number to divide both of them. 4 into that 1, 4 into that 3. So that would be B in its simplest form. Let's move on to 35. A small bottle of shampoo contains 25 centiliters. How many of these bottles can be filled with 2-liter bottles? This one is a bit tricky. What did it go again? It takes 10 at this, I think. So that's 250. 250 into 1,000, that's 4. Yeah, it takes 10 of this to make 10 centiliter, work out to 1 milliliter, and 1,000 milliliter equal 1 liter. So therefore, what we're going to do is convert this 25 to milliliter. So you're going to multiply by 10. So it's going to be 250. 25 times that, this gives us 250. All right, boom. We're going to convert this 2 liter now to milliliter. So we'll convert both of them to milliliter, and then we do the maths. So now 2 times 1,000, that should give you 2,000. So it's going to be 2,000 divided by 250, which gives us what, 8? So that's definitely 8. All right, a pet shop owner has 15 kilogram bag of dry dog food. She uses it to make 50 kilogram sample packs. How many sample packs can be made? So we're going to convert this 15 kilogram to grams, and to do that, we just simply multiply by 1,000, and that would give us an indication of where we need to go. So we have 15,000 divided by 50. So this gone, this gone. 5 into what? This is 1,500. 5 into this goes 3 times, so it's gonna be 300. 300, 30, 35, 15. 120, yeah. All right, so that's 300 times. All right, the time in Paris is 7 hours ahead of Kingston, Jamaica. 7 hours ahead, all right? What time is it in Paris? When it's 11 a.m. Now they say Paris is 7 hours ahead, so we're gonna add 7 hours to this. So we add one more if we give it 12 o'clock, 12 p.m., right? And then the other 6 hours gonna take us to 6 p.m. So I'm gonna go with C. All right, let's move on to 38. It like one if I just joining. The table shows the weather data for 10 states in the USA. So we have Georgia, blah, 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 blah. Let's go down to the question. Which state are the highest average of summer temperature? I can't look through everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just look at this Arizona and then do whatever them say, all right? All right, so Arizona, where Arizona do? Arizona, that's a 25.6. I'm just gonna compare 25.6. I see it there, summer, right? Florida, that's a 27. So Florida is leading so far. Let's look at Louisiana, 27.1. So that means it have to be Texas. Texas is 27.3. So our answer would be Texas. Big up to everybody in Texas to watch my channel, all right? 39. The table shows the driving distance in kilometers between some European countries. Let's go straight to the question. Once you see them bag of what, let's just go to the question. Which distance, what is the distance between Barcelona and, I don't think we can pronounce that word, but Barcelona, what the word name? Calisias. So it's gonna be the intersection, which is this. So that would be D. Let's look where them meet. All right, thanks guys, you're welcome. All right, so let's move on to 40. I may have to go zoom up this. The picture shows the dial on a weighing scale. What is the weight showing on the dial? So now, before me do anything, what we need to figure out how much it will go up by, all right? So I'm gonna zoom up the scale. We're at 400. Let me see, how many of these to get to 500? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means 100 is 100. So one other stroke there, a 10. All right. So let's see now. We have 40. Yes, so that'll be 50, 60. So that should be 460. because one of them are 10. So 460. Yeah. See it there? See it there? See it there? And notice the zero there over here. So it's a good away there, all right? That's one thing you have to look forward to. All right, let's move on, guys. Come on, we got to complete this paper. And check out the rest of my video, them guys. I want to go on with, man. The chart shows the number of tourist arrivals in Jamaica each month from June 2018 to 2019. All right. I know, so Jamaica, the destination place. So, ladies, get your bikini. Summer is coming. Come to Jamaica. Montego Bay, Negril, Churrios. All right. Make sure you link me up when you come to Jamaica. All right. This chart shows the number of that. It's a which statement is true. The number of tourists is increasing. That's a lie. It'll fluctuate and then it'll end up low. All right. The lowest number of tourists was in May 2019. May 2019. What that the January that? No, see May 2019. You have January, February, March, April, May. No, this lower. All right, so we cancel. So we know say a two, one out of the two option. There were twice as many tourists in December than November. What the hell? None of that again. Not twice. Let me see. There were twice as many tourists in December than November. December. All right, so that go up to what? I could call it 500. What December did say? Than November. When November they know? I see November upon this. Oh, where did John go down? Oh, call that three something. No, that's not twice. So it have to be. There's not enough information to compare this with last year. I'm gonna go with D. I not even know what is the hell happening. All right, but none of them sitting there. No, right, except the last one. All right, 42. The pie chart show the results survey about leisure's activities. So we have swimming. So this is swimming. I don't like when they put the something so close. Golf. Which one are golf? Is it? So this should have a golf. Yo, me convince. Wait, I'm gonna put it so. I'm convinced me I'm blind. Too much videos, man. Too many videos. You're not getting a likes. All right, cricket. That'll be that one here. All right, so I think I can probably figure out everything from here. So first, because them normally put them so close. All right, so these are cricket. These are football. Probably should just go straight to your question, you know. And this are basketball. Me a cheer for the Eats, you know. So basketball, this. Watch cheer for the Eats. I wanna watch basketball. All right, so I think I got everything labeled now. Which statement is true? Half of the people prefer swimming. No, that's a lie. That not reach half. See there? Not reach half. So that wrong. More people prefer football than basketball. That's a lie. So it comes down to two again. More people prefer golf. Lie. Quarter of the people prefer cricket. So cricket, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, I'll go with that. All right, so that's a D. 43, the table shows the weight of some parcel. What is the mode? The mode is the number that occurs the most. So I say 1, 3, 1, that. All right, so definitely 3.5 may I go with because a 2, 3.5. No other number occurs more than once except for 3.5. All right, so there we have it. Let's go. 44. The table shows the price of an item, in the shop. What is the median mark? So the median, you got arrange in ascending order. So let me say 15 are the smallest. So next we have 18. So we have triple 18. So we do it, you know, guys. We're not each per maths. Make sure you subscribe. Big up on yourself. All right, so that's triple 18. Next we have 19. Remember, you have to do it in order, all right? Next we have no more 19, but we have 20. And then 21, 22, 29. So 21, 22, 29. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4, the fifth number, 1, 2, 3. So 19 our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so it's 19. Right, that not cash pot. 45, the table show the number of ice cream sold each day. What is the range of the numbers? Now the range is the highest value, which I'm seeing to be 98, minus the lowest value, which is 67. Any number lower than that? No, 131 would be that. All right, so it's the highest value, subtract the smallest value. There are 10 sweets in a bag, 6 are orange and 4 are lemon. What's the probability? The first sweet you take out is orange. So first of all, 10 sweets in a bag, orange are 6, so it's gonna be 6 over 10, which works out to 2/3. Guys, if you don't see me a rush, me have a class 6 o'clock, I'm in the school. Use this formula to find the volume of a cone. Take pi to be 3.14, so we have 3.14. Let's say take the radius to be 3. Yes, you might do it, guys, easy. So it's 3 times 3. And then so take the height to be 9. And we can't do that. 3 3 is 9, 9 9, 81. So I can multiply 314 by 81. Because guess what? We're not on a calculator. So 144, 111, 133, put a 0. 8 4s 32, 3 carry 2, 8 1s 8, and 3 11, 1 carry 1, 8 3 is 24, and 1 25. I could add up the menu, and I hit that, 4 3 4. I'm not seeing my answer. 5 2. Something go wrong. Oh, I'm supposed to divide this by 3 when I'm finished. H divided by 3, which is, we can just multiply by 3. Yeah, because that's a little bit easier. Hold on, guys, let me do that. So it's a 9 divided, H divided by 3. So this would work out to 3. So instead of this, we could have 27, all right? So 314 times 27. Because I did say multiply. So it have to be this. Because I only want to end with 8. All right, I could work it out if I say 7 4 is 28. 7 1 7 1 2 9. 7 3 is 21. Put a 0 to all the space. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. So we add now. 8 and 0, 8. 8 and 9, 17. 7 carry 1, which gives us 4, and that 8. I didn't see this 3 right here, so it would be D, all right? Oh, because a cone. Yeah, cone is 1/3 of something. All right, on to the fun part. It says solve 6y plus that. So we're gonna subtract 6 from both sides. So we have 3y is equal to 24. And then we divide by 3. Everybody forget all of them, One I deal with, guys. I mean, I bring only, one I deal with. All right, this one says solve for that. So we have -2. So we add 2 to this side, which gives us 42. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. 20 that, yeah. All right, a company gives a discount of the total cost of an order for a prompt payment to a customer in items at price P such that of a discount of $5. So basically, we know say from then say discount, subtract $5. All right, can only be that. That's a giveaway. That's a giveaway, City and Girls. Because I'm not expecting to reach one, so that's why them easy, all right? What is missing from the graph? So the graph of the label, this label code, that means this. What them number there for? A scale from the vertical axis, a label from the vertical axis. So when I know what them number there say, what it represent? Is it the number of students, number of what? So that's C. All right, there is a title. Which statement is true? Car B, I forgot to zoom up this. Wait first. Car B is traveling at 10 kilometers per hour. Car B, 10 kilometers. So it travels a distance of 50 and it takes 5 hours. So that is correct. That is correct. And I could still look on them. Car A is traveling at 50 kilometers per hour. No, if a 50 kilometers that day, yes, so. All right. Car B travels further than car A. Then they same distance, you know. Matter of fact, he look like it even for a car A is slower than no, the longer this more steep at the faster it go. So car B go slow. So it's actually A, all right. All right, that one here now it says this again. Which of these statements are true? A rhombus is a parallelogram, a hexagon has 6 equal sides, a rectangle or a polygon. So this is not correct. You don't necessarily have to have 6 equal sides, all right? So it's gonna be X and Z only, which is B. All right, let's go, guys. We want to reach before 5 o'clock. Angle C is equal to 40. Okay. What is the value of angle B? So angle C and B are alternate angles, so that's 40 also. Let me zoom it up just in case. They did say this is 40. So this equal to this angles alternate, Z angles. And this are 140. Just in case somebody wonder, this are 142. No, so yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go. The diagram shows a trapezium. What does the angle B measures? Now, this plus this must give you 120, 180, so it will be 120. All right. What is the length of the side mark X? We know that's Pythagoras theorem, so it's 8 squared plus 6 squared, which gives us 10, 100, and we'll find the square root, which is works out to 10. So it's the hypotenuse. Once you find one opposite to the hypotenuse, you know, if you add, if them give you this, you subtract. All right, so I'm preparing for exam, guys. Hit the like button for that, man. Hit the like button. What is the area of the shape? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a different color to kind of split it so people can see. I don't like confusion, all right? Students can tell you that. I don't like confusion. All right, so this will I work with, and also go do this so you can see what I go on. All right, let's go back to reality now. So you say, what is the area? So this is 12 by 6. So this one work out to 60. The rectangle is 60 meters square, because it's length times width, right? All right, so all of this are 6 and this are 10. So that means the height of 4. So it's going to be 4 times 12 because the base is going to be 12 also. So it's going to be 4 times 12. 4 times 12. Oh, 48, 24. Oh, something all right, you know. Something all right, yeah, so. 6 times 12. 72 this man. See there? 6 times 12, 72. All right, anyway, that one all right. 4 times this, so it's gonna be 24. Because remember, half base times the height, right? So that's 6, 96. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's go. Let's go. We have 3 minutes to finish, guys. We have to can finish by 5 o'clock. I may have a 6 o'clock class. What is the circumference of this circle? Take pi to be 3.14. Now it's 2 pi r. And you have to know the difference. For area, it's pi r square. All right. Even though a time ago, I still have to show you the right thing. You know? But this is 2 pi r. So it's going to be 2 times 3.14. No, you can't use pi d, you know. So it's just 3.14. So it's 31.4. We could just say 3.14, which is the diameter, times pi, which is 10. So that will get 31.4. All right, 59 now. The diagram shows a cross section of a solid metal with height 10. What is the value? I don't want to come with this, you know. I don't want to come with this. All of this at 12. I'm not going to split it up. I can't bother. With the long. See what I go on. One word then give it. Then give we right as 6. All right, here's 6. That means between this are 3. 3 and 6, 9. This are 3. Let's put in some figure, guys. All right. Yes, 6. All right. All right, away across 12. Right, that's 12. Here's 6. So it's CM3, 3. All right, I could find the area for all of this. 3 6s, that's 18. That one here, 18. Right, that's 6. This is 18 too. This is 18. So all of this are 18 times 4. It's at the outside, them one here. All right. 4 8 32. 4 1s 4. And that's 72. So I'm gonna get 72, right? And then now we need to figure out the area for this, which is 6 by 6, which is 36. How much? Why them not give such a odd something? So this work out to 108, and them say the height at 10. So you got times this by 10. I'm not seeing 1080. So something all right. Oh, see them one A. Sure. So let's find the area for this, and then you multiply it by the 10. And the last one now, the size of tile A are double the size of B. The size of tile B double the length of sides A. The area of tile B is the size of tile B, the sides. All right. So let us say this is, let's just say this is 2 and this is 1. Because we can do that, right? And this are 2 and this double, which is 4. So this work out to 2 4 is 8, and this one work out to 2. So that means that this one is 4 times that. 4 times the area of tile B is 4 times the area of tile A. Yeah, I'll go with A. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is Young. Spend it time out, no doubt. See you guys in another video. Remember to share the video, guys. Don't be selfish now. All right.